Economic and social security. Imagine a world where workers are underpaid, factories are unsafe, and pollution harms everyone. Would that be fair? That world would be full of problems. Workers wouldn't be able to take care of their families. People would fall sick due to pollution, and accidents in factories would be common. No one would feel safe or healthy. This is why we need strong rules to protect people and nature. To ensure fair wages, workplace safety, and social security, the government makes laws to protect workers and the environment. These laws help workers earn proper wages, work in clean and safe conditions, and get medical help or money when needed. The laws also make sure that companies don't harm the air, water, or land while doing their work. Some important laws include the Minimum Wages Act, Employees Provident Fund Act, and Employees State Insurance Act. The Minimum Wages Act ensures workers are paid fairly and not exploited. The Employees Provident Fund Act helps them save money for the future. The Employees State Insurance Act provides medical care and support if workers get injured or sick. The government also ensures that children are not forced to work in dangerous jobs. The government passed the Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Act to protect children. Childhood should be for learning and playing, not for working in dangerous places. This law was created to protect children and give them a chance for a better future through education. Under this act, children below 14 years cannot be employed in factories, construction sites, or hazardous places. Any person who employs children is punishable by a jail term of up to 3 years or a fine up to Rs 20,000. Workers also need safe working conditions. The Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Act ensures proper safety gear, fire alarms, and emergency exits in factories. This law makes sure that all workers get helmets, gloves, masks, or other safety gear depending on their job. Factories must also have fire drills, first aid kits, and safe ways to exit during emergencies. But how are these laws enforced? The government sends inspectors to check factories and industries. These inspectors visit factories, talk to workers, and look at safety arrangements. If a company is breaking the law, they can give warnings, fines, or even shut down the factory. Government departments like the Fire Safety Department, Environment Protection Agency, and Labour Commission ensure laws are followed. Each department has a special job. The Fire Safety Department checks if fire equipment is working. The Labour Commission ensures workers are paid and treated fairly. The Environment Protection Agency checks if the factory is polluting the air or water. When the factory owners ignore safety measures, it leads to disasters. One of the worst industrial disasters was the Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984. This disaster occurred at the Union Carbide factory in Bhopal due to a deadly gas leak. The toxic gas not only killed thousands of people but also left countless others severely injured, impacting generations to come. Disasters like these could have been prevented if proper laws were followed and safety measures were in place. The government also makes laws to protect the environment from pollution caused by industries. Factories can release dirty smoke into the air or harmful chemicals into rivers if not monitored. These actions can cause disease, destroy nature, and affect animals too. Laws like the Water and Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Acts ensure industries treat waste before releasing it into nature. This helps protect rivers, lakes, and the air we breathe. CNG, Compressed natural gas is cleaner than petrol or diesel. Many buses and autos now use CNG to keep the air clean and reduce harmful smoke. In addition, all vehicles must have a Pollution Under Control (PUC) certificate to reduce harmful emissions. This certificate proves that a vehicle is not polluting too much. If a vehicle produces too much smoke, it must be repaired or removed from the road. Industries must install proper pollution control equipment before releasing smoke or chemicals. These machines filter and clean harmful gases or liquids. Without them, toxic substances would harm people, animals, and plants around the factory. Laws protect workers, children, and the environment, but we all must follow them for a better future. By reporting unsafe practices, saving energy, and following safety rules, we can all make a difference.